What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs, our Zabs project, and today we're bringing you another episode on this Toyota Supra MK4. And yes, as you guessed it, we got some new wheels for them. Look at that, they're the 5-spoke 17x9Js front. Actually no, wait, they're 17x8Js front and 17x9J rear, so they're the stagger ones. Abs, what do you reckon of them?
Yeah, looks sweet, innit? It's like new shoes for the car.
New shoes for the car, even though the car's looking like an ugly duckling, but
Yeah, well,
ugly duckling.
Yeah, but
ugly
still a Supra,
duckling.
innit? What they say? It's a Supra, for crying out loud. Who cares?
Yeah,
if it's
is that a Supra? Yes, it is. So at the moment, as you can see, we've got some nasty rims on them. They're the Nissan one. We just got them spare ones, just to get the cars rolling back and forth. Even I think none of them match, to be honest with you. Front are different from the rear.
Now I think the rear ones are Supra original ones,
Ooh.
OEMs, and the front ones are Nissan Skyline R33 ones. But yeah, just basically just for us to move it back and forth. Now then, even if they perish up, as you can see, the front tire is totally flat, back one's getting flat, so we're getting fussed about if they get damaged. And then later on, when the car was ready, our plan was then to put the rims on, but we've got this set now. So
Yeah, I mean, we've got quite a lot of future plans for the Supra. We've got side skirts, we've got front bumper lip. Now these side skirts, they're cracked, so we're not going to be using these ones. We got another set, nice ones. I think they're in white. We got a nice front bumper lip for it. Nevertheless, what we are going to do first is going to be try these wheels on, see how they look. Before we try them, we need to wash them. And I think the side walls and the tyres need changing. Even the tyres threads are quite good. But I think it's like Ab just pointed out, it's just the rears. The front side walls are right. It's just the rears I think that need changing. Other than that, I think that's about it. Coming to the wheels, they do need refurbs. Curbing on the edge of the wheels themselves, as you can see.
I reckon this one's the best wheel out of all of them. This ain't got no curbing in it. But near enough, just got little scuffs there, little scuff, the little red mark there that you can take off.
Yeah.
Literally, this rim is nice and clean all around. If you look at it, if you go around it, look, maybe just little scratch there. But then the rest, the other front, this is front rim. If you look at the other front rim over there, that's got the scuffing in it. You see, look, it's got chip off here. All that's, look at that, that's all been mashed. So that needs sorting out. Same with the rear one at the bottom over here, the staggered one, cracked wheel on the tire, and then the same again. This ain't that bad actually compared to the one we just showed now. Bad as well compared to the other one, but it's just the tires cracked from the sidewall. But generally speaking, the condition, I mean, I reckon we can just, this one we can sort ourselves, but the other ones I reckon we should send off. But then again, send them all off, get them all touched up.
Yeah, I mean, they look nice though. We were considering doing them black, but I reckon we should keep them
The original colour.
Yeah, it goes nicely with the car. So nevertheless, I think the first thing that we need to do is clean these wheels, give them a good wash, and see what the real condition is like. But yep, the tires definitely need to be changed. They're cracked, side walls are cracked. They're the Dunlop tires. They are 225 17s 55s, and they're quite wide as well. The cloth just to wipe the dirt off, and to be honest with you, it's looking quite good compared to the other side, or compared to the other ones. And I didn't bother touching the tires, reason being because we do need to change the tires. They've got a lot of crack on there, and we've cleaned as much as we could from the back of the alloy, but there's still a lot of dirt left on it. I think that's from over the years. It's really hard to get off, but we tried our best. But nevertheless, we are going to refurb the wheels, so let's give it a minor clean, just so we get as much as dirt as off we can. And let's put the wheels on the car, see how they look. So I finally got one of the wheels washed and cleaned, and look how nice that is looking. If I turn around, actually, you know what? Let me show you. That's the one I haven't cleaned. That's the one I've cleaned. You can't really see much of a difference. But if I turn it around, and I turn this one around, now look at the difference. So what I'm doing right now is getting soapy water, spraying it all over the wheel, like so. Getting brush, this is a toothbrush, and I'm just gonna let the soapy water do its work. Just gonna keep brushing over it like this. As you can see, the dirt is dissolving. And coming into the wheels where the spokes are, just get a brush. Preferably you want a detailing brush. I have got one, to know where I put it. And as you can see, as I'm doing that, just look closely, look at the escape of the dirt, leaving that clean surface. And getting right to the corner. Once I've done that, I'm going to let the soapy water stay on the surface so it can do its job now that I've brushed into the dirt. And once I rinse the water, you'll see all the surface clean, just like this one here. Closer. So dirt coming off, and this is dirt over the years, as no one's cleaned the wheels, especially behind the wheels. Just gonna get warm water. I just rinse it off. I'm gonna do the other wheels like this as well, and once I've done them, I'll show you the result. If you compare that spoke to that spoke, look at the differences. Currently, we are halfway there. So, as you can see, this side is the dirty side. Coming around, this side is the bit that I've cleaned up. Now, I won't say it's detailed cleaned, but it's way better than before. Anyway, haven't finished yet, so fingers crossed it gets more better. So this is now cleaned from the top, coming to the bottom. Just need to clean this bit over here. If you just look at the dirt on these wheels in the back compared to the clean one that we just cleaned. Absolutely epic transformation. So we finally got the wheels all cleaned out. The only thing we need to do now is put the wheels on the Supra and see how the Supra looks. Yeah. We finally got the wheels on the Supra, and to be fair, I'm loving the rear. After all the hard work hours, we got the wheels on, they're clean, they're on the car. But I don't know, I'm not really, what can I say, the rear looks nice.
The front looks like a drag car.
It's like a drag car.
All wrapped up with the arches nicely in, and the front was literally, look how high the car looks.
Yeah.
I reckon it's the tyres are a bit too thin. They're low profile, need thicker tyres on them.
Plus, I think the car does need to be lowered a bit, just to give that a stance.
I want to be honest, the 17s. That's what's putting it down.
Should have been 18s or 19s.
Minimum 18s, and then 19s, yeah.
18, 19s,
you were talking about those 20s we've got, innit?
20s would have filled the arch nicely. It would have wrapped the whole arch around the tyres. No gap at all. No need to lower the car.
20s is though, when the turning cycle is going to hit the inside of the arches, isn't it?
No, I think they're 8.5J, so they're not that wide. They're just bigger in size. Low profile tyres, so when you put them on, they wrap the arch nicely. There'd be no gap. It'd just be perfect. Tyres wrapped around the arch, or arch wrapped around the tyres. Perfection.
I mean, to be honest with you, I'm feeling lazy. I can't be asked to take those 20s out. They've already dug straight underneath the damn part of the garage. You can't even go there.
Yeah, but I think near the future, we will change the wheels with the 20 just to see how they look, to see what stance it gives. Nevertheless, this is the look for the Supra at the moment. We've got the side skirts, we've got the wheels, we need to get the rear spoiler on, front bumper lip, and then we need to clean the car up, sort the paint out, and hopefully it should be a complete project.
Yeah, so look at this. Right, so look. This is the base coat. Like a print of the base coat here is kind of fading away as well. I think we're going to pass the base coat over here. Over the bonnet all needs doing up. Look at the roof as well. If you go to the roof, look at that bloody roof. Look at that. Even that base coat's going away. It's dulled out now. Lacquer's gone totally now.
And it's TLC. And it's TLC. It's a Supra.
TLC. Look, here we go. Look, you can see the list. Here's the base. Here's the lacquer. And the lacquer and the base. And it's literally dulled out base now, isn't it?
Yeah, so a full sanding.
Yeah. They'd say is if you can find a cut-off line, for example, whole roof, obviously we got to do. Then we come down to the bloody damn boot. Look at that boot. We got to do. It has to be all blown up and sprayed as well. And from my understanding, obviously we're not professionals, but when you find a cut line here, for example, here,
yeah,
you can just kind of blend in with this and paint it over.
Yeah, but you won't find that cut-off line. At the day, this arch needs looking into as well. So, if I'm honest with you, this car needs a full respray.
Well, the door's fine. What the hell, man? Look at the door.
Yeah, the door's fine. Door's fine. Door handle's messed up. Side skirt's messed up. Rear arch is messed up. The front wing's fine. Bonnet's messed up. Bumper's okay. The roof is messed up.
Yeah, it seems like we just up to the full respray.
Yep, it's a full respray. That's what we need to do. A full respray on the car.
Right, but which I doubt we're going to do.
No, we're working on a budget.
Exactly, yeah.
It's on a budget at the moment. Until things look better, we're going to keep it as it is. I mean, we will do some kind of bodywork to it.
Yeah, majority of the project we do, I'll be honest with you, are on a budget. We're going to work our way out because obviously we've got to spend money on other cars as well. So once we get these cars, the basic thing is to get the cars on the road and then slowly work our way on over. This is one of those ones we're going to just keep cruising around. I mean, we could just literally wet sand this up. At least, this lacquer's peeling off from here. If you see this, look. If you see that, look, I just put my hand to it. You can literally just, it's flaking off. So what we could do really is wet sand the area here, just blend it all in with the rest of the paint. And you can get some quotes from some people, see what kind of quotes we at least get.
I mean, what is it now? £2,500 to get a full respray, depending on how bad your bodywork is.
Yeah.
So, let's see how it goes.
To be honest with you, we ain't got no dents or anything like that. It's literally just going to be like a straightforward bonnet, really, innit? So they're going to do wet sand it down, if anything. Spray that. I think per panel at the moment is £150, I think.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, so if you imagine 150 here, 150 roof, the side and quarters going to come as one panel, just say 150 there. What, 450 at the moment?
450, yeah, but then like I said...
Then you got the mirrors. So just say that's what...
But the rear quarters, I think they charge about 250. So if you do 2 rear quarters, it's 5. So pretty much you're looking at the whole car. So you might as well pay for the whole car and get the whole car. And if you're going to do that, you might as well do a colour change. Silver's not really a desirable colour on Supras, to be honest with you.
202 black is...
202 black or midnight purple, LP2. Yeah, but anyway...
Personally, I think black is nice.
Black is nice. We've got a black one, Supra, which we're working on. So once that's completed, hopefully we'll be able to do a comparison, silver and black, and we'll see how it looks. But I think this will be the end of today's episode. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next one.